Ano yung naaalala nyo ngayon, pinaka-harsh na comments na-receive ninyo and ano yung ginawa nyo?
Ay, ano? Ay, hindi. They've asked me, can I say this on live?
Kasama ng hirap ng pinagdaanan nyo makapasok ng industry and working din dito sa industry, di ba? Hindi may iwasan talaga na nakaka-receive ng mga harsh comments. Ano yung naaalala nyo ngayon, pinaka-harsh na comments o comment na na-receive ninyo and ano yung ginawa nyo habang nagtatago si Angela?
You wanna start?
Ako na.
Ikaw na.
Opo. Wait lang kasi.
Opo, tapos nakagano lang kami ni Isa.
Meron po. Hindi. Kasi po, ako praise God na kung i-compare naman po sa mga kaibigan ko po sa industry, I'm very blessed na hindi naman po sobra pa sa akin. Siguro po yung pinaka sa akin nung bata pa po ako, yung
ano? Ay, hindi.
Hindi, ano po, siguro isa sa mga pinaka malala, pero ngayon po tinatawanan ko na lang is nung gumawa po ako ng cover, tapos sinasabi nila na, peke naman yung boses mo, lip sync naman yan, hindi naman totoo yan, naka-record ka, halata naman. Tapos ang kinakanta ko po noon is Titibo Tibo by Miss Moira de la Torre. Ang bilis-bilis po noon, tapos sabi ko, yung mga kaibigan ko po nagagalit sila, ano ba yung mga yan?
That's how good you were. That they were like, no, there's no way it's real.
Yun na lang yung tinake ko. Siguro po ganun, yung mga pambabash ng tao, parang ititik mo siya na, ganun ba kalinis yun? Hindi nga malinis yun. parang ganun po. Siguro yeah.
Alam mo, ang ganda na naging comment ni Izzy. Ganun kakagaling para questionin nila, totoo ba to?
Yes.
Parang hindi naman. Pero, sorry, pinatinayan lang naman ni Angela kaya na totoo. Diba? Sorry. Ikaw naman, AC, ano yung pinaka-harsh na comment?
Oh my gosh. I think I've gone through very harsh comments in my life. They've asked me, can I say this on live? They've asked me to, they've told me to do stuff to myself. They've told me they've asked me to do that. They've commented. Their number one always is to comment on my body, to start bringing up my family, to start saying, madami po, even the way I dance, madami po silang sinasabi. They've said everything. And I've had my tough times. Kaya may times po talaga na nanahimik na lang po ako. Or like nagde-disappear na lang po ako sa social media for a while, or like just being on TV, because it can get to you. And it's like, it's really hard because at the end of the day, a lot of people don't remember that we are all human beings. We are all human beings. Just because we are artistas doesn't mean na manhid na po kami sa mga sinasabi niyo po sa amin. So parang I've learned to take a step back and breathe and be with the people that I love the most and who are there for me and just comfort me in the most safe way. It's been bad. They've gotten bad comments. Until now naman po. Until now, it doesn't stop. But I've just been able to handle it better now.
Yeah.